These colored bands tell you the resistance of your resistor. Each color stands for a different number, so you're going to need a chart like this to interpret them. But it's a little bit more complicated than just reading the color code. The first two bands are your significant digits, so let's write them down. Here we have a 1 and a 0. Then the third band is the multiplier, so we take our 10 and we multiply it by 10 to the power of 3. So this is a 10,000 ohm resistor. But what's the last band for? That band is tolerance. Since it's gold, that means our resistor has a 5% tolerance. So it could technically be anywhere from 9,500 ohms to 10,500 ohms. And if your resistor has 5 bands, the first 3 are significant digits. So here we have a 3, a 3, and a 9, and we multiply that by the fourth band, which is 10 to the 0 or 1, so this is a 339 ohm resistor with a brown band, so 1% tolerance. Pause the video and see if you can calculate this resistor right now.